How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get a couple of amazing and totally free spicy apps on your Firestick or Android TVs. The whole process is pretty simple and will take you only a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, the first thing you gotta do is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader totally free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, we go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Let's click on it, and that is the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet, because we still need to set it up. So in order to set up Downloader on your Firestick, you have to go to Settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. After that, scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Let's open it. And now from here, you have to turn on developer options on your Fire TV Stick device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging. Then you need to go to Install Known Apps, and from here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of applications on your Firestick. Here it is, let's open it. And now there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go straight into a list of apps on your device and open up the Downloader. And now from here, all you have to do is open that search bar, and now we'll need to start entering in the codes. So the first code for the spicy app we're going to use will be 6471190. So once again, it's 647190. Make sure to enter that code exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. After that, click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot. And as you can see, the download of the app has already started. Usually it does not take long, only a couple of seconds, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. After that, after the app is downloaded, you also have to install it to your device, so click on install right here, and now the app will be finally installed to your Firestick device. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if we go to the list of apps on your Firestick device, there it is, let's open it. And here at the bottom you'll find the app which we just installed. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So that is the first spicy app we got for you today. But as I said, I have not one but a couple of amazing apps for you today. So now let's go straight back into the loader and I'll show you how to get one more amazing and totally free app for your Firestick, which also has really spicy content. So we have to erase the previous code that we used in that search bar. And now a new code is going to be 863 and then 078. So once again, it's 863078. That's the code you're gonna use. After that, click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. The process of the app install is gonna be pretty much the same as it was with the first app. So we just wait until the file is downloaded to our Firestick. Just takes a couple of seconds usually. Then you would click on install and, like previously, wait for the app to get installed to your Firestick. After that, we make sure to delete the unnecessary installation files. And now if you go to the list of applications on your Firestick, there it is, let's open it. And now when it loads at the bottom, we should find the second app which we installed. Yep, there it is. So we're gonna put it up front as well. And now you got 2 amazing free spicy apps on your Firestick. So enjoy the apps and of course, see you next time. Bye bye.